Hey, Jerry Woodrow here. Been a long time since posting any videos. Had a lot going on. New member to adventure with, new career, uh, new town, all that good stuff. My adventures still happen. They've just gotten a little smaller. So my content is going to go in a little bit different direction. I'm going to be doing some RC videos, mostly running and seeing that stuff. I'll do some build videos, some painting videos, not exactly how to, but this is what I'm doing. Hopefully that finds interest in your lives and your adventures. Take a look, Google some scale RCs. A lot of fun, a lot smaller, a lot easier to adventure with without the excess miles or modifications. Although there are a lot of fun modifications, as you can see from these guys here. But I'll be doing some build videos, chassis, tuning videos, some track videos. I've got a couple ready to be released. We'll go ahead and get those uploaded after this video. So stay tuned, check it out, share, like, subscribe. All that good stuff is normal. I hope you come back for more adventures, and I hope you and yours are finding many adventures of all shapes and sizes. Thanks. We'll catch you later.